Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon. And if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. So basically all we have to do is to either tap on clear all here, or you can go to the very left and tap on clear all here. Up to you. Of course, you can also turn them off manually just by swiping them up. So just tap on clear all, and we can open the recents to check. Here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.